is my old man steaming, snoring with eyes closed on, lying on the couch in the living room, right? We're going to go in and we're going to take the piss at him, right? Which is, wait, it's going on? There it is. The animals do not have any effect to the wilderness. Of late, they can sleep through anything. Yes, that's what it's been drinking. Alcohol, that would be Mr. Skinny Monkey. We have the rare species in its natural habitat. Pissed as a fart. Lying on the couch. He's had more to drink than me. And he's just lying there. Remote lying next to him. Shoes still on. Thought he was watching the telly. There's no telly on. Can you hear that, people? Is he awake or something? He's just smiling. Anyway, that was the rare species of James Russell. Lion snoring.